Hello student, if you like my videos then like, share and subscribe। आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं कंटिन्यूटी एंड डिफरेंशियबिलिटी एक्सरसाइज 5.1 क्लास 12। इसमें हम पहले पढ़ेंगे कंटिन्यूटी एट अ फंक्शन एट अ गिवन पॉइंट। अगर कोई फंक्शन गिवन है और उस फंक्शन की लिमिट एग्जिस्ट कर रही है, इट मीन्स लेफ्ट हैंड लिमिट इक्वल टू राइट हैंड लिमिट इक्वल टू फंक्शनल वैल्यू, then your function is continuous at the given point. Now let us start. Function f of x 5x minus 3 at point x equal 0. Left hand limit, that limit x tend to 0 minus, means left hand of 0 5x minus 3. Limit h tend to 0 5 0 minus h minus 3. Substitute value of 0 minus h in place of x. Then it becomes 5 into 0 minus 3 and minus 3. Left hand limit, right hand limit, limit h tend to 0 plus 5x minus 3, limit h tend to 0 5 0 plus h minus 3 equal to minus 3, and functional value f of 0, that is 5 into 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. Since f of 0 equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit, so function is continuous at x equal 0. Similarly, at point x equal minus 3, function value of minus 3 equal 5 minus 3 minus 3. 5 3 is 15, minus 15 minus 3, that is minus 18. Left hand limit, limit x tend to minus 3 minus 5x minus 3, that is minus 3 minus h. H is a small difference between minus 3 minus 3. When you solve it, then find minus 18. Similarly, you can find right hand limit of the function equals minus 18. So the function is continuous at x equal minus 3. Move on, question number second. Second question says that examine the continuity of the function f of x, that is 2x square minus 1 at point x equal 3. Firstly, we find functional value, that is f of x 2x square minus 1 at point x equal 3. F of x equal to 3 square minus 1. 3 square, that is 9. 2 multiplied by 9 minus 1. 18 minus 1, that is 17. Left hand limit of the function, limit x tend to minus 3 to x square minus 1. When our limit exists at point x equal 3, then your function is continuous function at the given point. Limit h tend to 0 to 3 minus h whole square minus 1. When you solve it, then find 17. Similarly, right hand limit, limit x tend to 3 plus 2x square minus 1. 2x square minus 1, limit h tend to 0 to 3 plus h whole square minus 1. When you applying the formula a plus b whole square, then 3 plus h whole square equal 9 plus h square plus 6h. Substituting value of h tend to 0, then you find right hand limit equal 17. So you can conclude that function value equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit, so function is continuous at x equal 3. Move on, question number third. Third question says that examine the following function for the continuity. Here are 4 functions are given. First is f of x, x minus 5. Solution: f of x equal x minus point. Check this function is continuous at any constant term, because here a point, continuous point are not given, so we take absolute value or absolute constant of any numbers. F of c, that is c minus 5. It is function value. Limit x tend to c minus x minus 5. Limit h tend to 0 c minus h minus 5. When you solve it, substitute value of h equal to 0, then find c minus 5. Similarly, right hand limit x tend to c plus x minus 5. Limit h tend to 0 c plus h minus 5. Substituting value of h tend to 0, that is 0, so it becomes c minus 5. Obviously, you can say that function value equal to left hand limit equal to right hand limit. So function is continuous at any absolute constant value. Move on. Second portion of this question. F of x equal 1 upon x minus 5 at point x equals c. So function value f of c becomes 1 upon c minus 5. Limit left hand limit, that is left of the absolute value, and right hand limit is right of the absolute value. It is right hand limit and it is left hand limit. Okay. 1 upon c minus 5. Limit x tend to c plus 1 upon x minus 5. Limit h tend to 0 1 upon c plus h minus 5. When you substitute h tend to 0, means h not become 0, it tending to 0. h बिल्कुल पास है 0 के. जैसे आप लेते हैं h, अगर आपका h c इक्वल कोई कांस्टेंट टर्म है, c से कुछ कम हो सकता है, 0.0 समथिंग 01. Left hand limit equal to right hand limit equal to function value. So function is continuous at x equal c or any absolute value of constant term. Similarly, you can solve remaining portion of this question. Move on. Question number 4. Question number 4 says that prove that function f of x equal x to power n where n is constant is continuous at x equal n. F of x equal x to power n. So function value of the given function f of x, that is f of n equal n to power n. Limit hand left hand limit x tend to n minus x to power n. Limit h tend to 0 n minus h whole square n minus h whole to power n. When you substitute in place of h equal 0, then n to power n. Right hand limit becomes n to power n. So our function is continuous at point x equal n. Move on. Question number 5. Question number 5 says that in the function is the function defined by f of x equal curly bracket x if x is less than or equal to 1, and second condition is given 5 if x is greater than 1. Check the continuity at x equal 0, x equal 1, x equal 2. So f of x equal x, f of 1, that is function value at point 1, f of 1 equal 1. Limit x tend to 1 minus x. Limit h tend to 0 1 minus h, because in place of x you put 1 minus h. It means a small difference between 1. A small difference between 1 means it may be 0.0009 or 0.009 or 1.001. So limit h tend to 0 1 minus h equal 1. Right hand limit x tend to 1 plus 5 equal to 5. You see, left hand limit equal to right hand limit does not equal to left hand limit equal to function value does not equal to right hand limit. So function is not continuous at the given point. Got it? अब हम मूव करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है फाइंड ऑल द पॉइंट्स ऑफ discontinuity of function 2x plus 3 if x is less than or equal to 2, 2x minus 3 if x is greater than 2. So firstly we find the function value, that is f of x equal to 2 into 2 plus 3, that is 7. Left hand limit x 10 to 2 plus 2 minus 2x plus 3. So limit h 10 to 0 2 bracket 2 minus h minus 3. 2 to the 4 and 2 into 0 minus 3, that is 7. Right hand limit x 10 to 2 plus 2x minus 3. Limit h 10 to 0 2 in a bracket 2 plus h minus 3, that is 2 to the 4 minus 3, it becomes 1. Function is discontinuous at point x equal to. ओके गाइस, अब हम मूव करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 सेज दैट फाइंड द ऑल पॉइंट ऑफ डिसकंटिन्यूटी ऑफ द फंक्शन f of x curly bracket mod of x plus 3 if x is less than or equal to minus 3 minus 2 if minus 3 is less than x less than 3. 6x plus 2 if x is greater than or equal to 3. Firstly, we check at point x equal minus 3. Left hand limit means left of minus 3. Limit x 10 to minus 3 mod of x plus 3. Because minus 3 is less than or equal to minus 3. Limit h 10 to 0 mod of minus 3 minus h plus 0, that is 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Because if any value are negative or positive sign, so their absolute value becomes always positive sign, that is 3. अगर आप -5 मॉड लेते हैं तो आपको मिलेगा 5. ओके, +5 का मॉड लेंगे तब भी आपको क्या मिलने वाला है 5. राइट हैंड limit x 10 to 3 plus 2x because it is greater than 3. So we take second function, that is 2 of x. 2 bracket 3 plus h, that is 2 3 is 6 plus 0 equal to 6. So function is continuous at x equal minus 3. Similarly, you can check continuity at x equal 3. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. If you like my videos, then like, share and subscribe.